Welcome to Mrs. J's Book Nook. I am reading Diary of a Fly today by Doreen Cronin, pictures by Bliss. And please don't forget to check my channel for the other two books in this series, Diary of a Spider and Diary of a Worm. Diary of a Fly. Just before we get to the diary, let's have a look at some of Fly's photographs. There is great-great-grandmother with Babe Ruth. Babe Ruth was a famous baseball player, and you can see a fly just buzzing around his head. My Bows, me as a baby. Found this cool meteorite. Skywriting with Worm up the top. And then it looks like Worm has chewed through a leaf and made the words "Fly Girl." And then there's a Valentine card for Mum. Worm's cap is red, mouldy cheese is so blue. I love my mum and she loves me too. Be my Valentine. June 7th. Tomorrow is the first day of school. I'm so nervous. What if I'm the only one who eats regurgitated food? June 8th. Great news. Everyone eats regurgitated food. Whew. June 10. Things they teach you in flight class. We are the most accomplished flyers on the planet. Our average speed is 4.5 miles per hour. Leap backward when taking off. Things they should teach you in flight class. Always have a flight plan. So it looks like he's getting in the way here of the frisbee, the dog. I'm just going to turn the book around. June 12. My parents left us with a babysitter last night, and when they got home, 87 of us were stuck to a strip of fly paper. Oh dear. Mum says we were a lot easier to watch before we grew heads. June 14. Today we practiced landing on moving targets. I am standing on her head right now. He's talking about this one here. June 15. My school picture came out terrible. Mum says next time I better have all my eyes looking in the same direction. June 17. My first science assignment is to use my 5 senses to observe something creepy. So I chose a first grader. Oh, that's disgusting. 5 senses observation by Fly. What I see will not fit in a jar. What I feel, sticky. What I can smell, not so good. What I can hear, an annoying slurping sound. And what I can taste, not so bad. June 18. Worm and Spider came over today. We used a magnifying glass to take a really good look at ourselves. So on Fly there was some yogurt and some ice cream and soft drink. And on Worm there was some dust and egg, some juice, There was some cabbage on worm and some orange peel and more dirt and still more dirt. Man, we were filthy. July 2nd. I'm making an all about me book for my mum. My life. Day 1, first day is an egg. Day 5, first day is a maggot. Day 7, first day with a head. Day 10, first day of school. July 13. I asked my mum why I can't have my own room like Worm. Because you have 327 brothers and sisters, that's why. I told her we could put half of them in the garage to save space. I'm having a time out in the garage right now. July 14. Spider's grandfather is so smart. He taught me flies were a very important part of the food chain. Very cool. You're very important. July 15. Worm sat me down and explained the food chain. Oh, that is not so cool. Spider's over here, just about to grab him. July 16. The babysitter came back last night. She brought a frog. Oh dear. When Mum and Dad got home, we were all exactly where we were when they left. July 21. Why I would make a good superhero? Well, I have the most powerful flight muscles on the planet. I can land upside down. I can see in all directions at once. I see you, Spider. And Spider said, superheroes bend steel with their bare hands. You eat horse manure with your feet. I never thought about it that way. July 22. Today I learned that flies beat their wings 200 times per second. Whew. No wonder I keep falling asleep in math. July 23. I visited my Aunt Rita today. She's been trapped on the wrong side of a screen for a week. My word, how you've grown, dear. August 1st. I just know I would make an excellent superhero. I have 4,000 lenses in each eye. I can walk on walls. I can change directions in flight faster than a blink of a human eye. Spider said, superheroes save the world from outer space villains. Your brain is the size of a sesame seed. I never thought about it that way. August 2. Today I told Worm and Spider that I could never be a superhero like I wanted. Worm looked me right in the eyes and said, the world needs all kinds of heroes. Spider said, I never thought about it that way. Neither did I. And then we'll have a look at some things here at the back of the diary. We've got a book report by Fly called Lord of the Flies. And it says, a nice job, but next time, no doodles in the margin. Spider is so good at soccer. My favourite dinner. and worm tunneled right through this marshmallow. And then there's just a bit of a collage over here. Tiny heroes to the rescue, protecting our planet. Wonder Worm helps Earth breathe. Super Spider fights evil insects. And Fly Girl, she'll change the future. July 1. Today I went swimming. Plop. I hope you enjoyed Diary of a Fly. Don't forget, check my channel for Diary of a Spider, Diary of a Worm, and plenty other stories.